you over here. Come on, come to Grandma.
Yay!
Yay, Farima! She did it.
You didn't do squat. Keep going.
See, it wasn't so bad.
Keep going. The next chair is right there.
Come on.
Oh, I think you can reach a little further.
Come on, come on.
Come on. You can do it. Come on.
Don't go back. Yeah.
Oh,
Let's go.
Grandma.
Oh, it's so terrible. There you go. Here's Mommy. Here's Mommy. Oh, she's saying things about you.
And you.
There you go. Give Mommy
Yay.
your hand. Here's Mommy. Good girl.
All right.